Mantis moms: the shocking secrets of parental care. The praying mantis is a formidable predator, known for its lightning-fast strikes and incredible camouflage. However, their predatory nature extends far beyond just hunting its woven into an astonishingly complex system of maternal care that often involves surprisingly brutal acts. After mating, the female mantis famously consumes her meta behavior, still debated by scientists but believed to provide crucial nutrients for egg production. But this is only the beginning of her dedication. She then meticulously searches for a suitable location to lay her ootheca, or egg case, carefully choosing a spot that will offer protection and optimal conditions for hatching. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind. These ootheca can contain dozens, even hundreds of eggs. Once laid, the female diligently guards them, fiercely defending them from predators like birds and wasps. She remains with the eggs throughout their development, sometimes for weeks, essentially fasting while she provides this vital defense. When the nymphs finally emerge, it's a chaotic scene. They immediately begin devouring each other in what's known as sexual cannibalism, a harsh reality of survival that highlights the brutal efficiency of nature. Most insects leave their eggs to fend for themselves, essentially abandoning them after they're laid. But praying mantises, they take a dramatically different approach. The female meticulously creates an ootheca, that's the foamy, protective egg case you might see on plants, and she fiercely guards it. Shell defended against predators, even other insects, remaining close by until the nymphs hatch. It's truly remarkable to witness this level of maternal care in what are often perceived as quite detached creatures. This protection significantly increases the survival rate of her offspring. The incredible reproductive strategy of praying mantises continues as we examine their egg cases, called oothecae. A single one can hold an astonishing number of eggs, sometimes exceeding 200, even reaching upwards of 300 in certain species. The female mantis diligently creates these protective structures, carefully attaching them to stems or branches. She's not just dropping them anywhere, though. She's a calculated mom. You'll often find oothecae nestled in sheltered spots under leaves, within dense foliage, or on sturdy supports, all chosen to offer some level of defense against hungry birds and other predators. This careful placement significantly increases the survival rate of her future offspring. It's truly remarkable how prolific female praying mantises can be. A single female doesn't just lay one clutch of egg shell, often produce several ootheca throughout her entire lifespan. Each of these foamy-looking masses contains a staggering number of potential offspring, sometimes dozens, but frequently hundreds. This incredible reproductive capacity is likely an adaptation to ensure the survival of the species, given that mantis nymphs face many dangers in their early lives. It's incredible how dedicated a mother praying mantis can be. After her eggs hatch and those tiny nymphs emerge, their survival rate is surprisingly high, far better than many insects. This is largely thanks to the mother's protective instincts. She actively guards them from predators and even provides them with initial sustenance. However, what's truly fascinating and a little unsettling is that some praying mantis species exhibit a behavior known as oophagy. That's right, the mother will eat some of her own offspring, while seemingly brutal. It's believed this can be a strategy to ensure the survival of the strongest individuals within the brood and provide nutrients for those that do survive. It's a startling behavior, but surprisingly common in many praying mantis species. Shortly after these tiny nymphs hatch and begin to scatter, you might witness something quite dramatic: the female mantis consuming a male. This is known as sexual cannibalism, and it's not just a matter of hunger, it's a strategic survival tactic. By eating the males present, she gains valuable nutrients that directly fuel the development of her ootheca, those fascinating egg cases we talked about earlier. Essentially, she's investing in future generations by ensuring she has ample resources to produce healthy offspring. It's a harsh reality of nature, but it highlights the incredible resourcefulness and sometimes brutal efficiency of these remarkable insects. It's fascinating to consider that this predatory behavior isn't solely about immediate survival. Scientists have a compelling theory that these cannibalistic acts are actually an investment in the future generation. The nutrients gained from consuming other mantises, particularly females, appear to be vital for egg production and overall offspring health. It allows the mother to build larger, more robust eggs, giving her young a better start in life. Furthermore, some researchers believe this provides essential nitrogen, a building block for proteins. That's crucial not just for the developing embryos, but also supports the mother's own post-mating development and recovery. These tiny praying mantis nymphs are truly remarkable. Unlike many insects that remain with their parents for protection or guidance, they're incredibly independent from the moment they emerge from their egg case. They scatter, almost immediately dispersing to find their own hunting grounds. It's a fascinating display of instinct. These miniature predators instantly begin their lives as fierce hunters, perfectly mirroring the behavior of their mothers. Each nymph is equipped with fully functional mandibles and an insatiable appetite, ready to tackle any small insect that crosses its path. This rapid dispersal and independent survival highlights just how well adapted praying mantises are to thrive in diverse environments. It might seem brutal, but a female praying mantis behavior after mating is actually a crucial part of her survival strategy and that of her offspring. After laying eggs in a frothy ootheca, she often consumes some or even all of the males. It's a well-documented phenomenon. While this appears harsh, consider the context. Resources are scarce for developing insects. By consuming the male, the female gains vital nutrients to nourish her own body and subsequently those developing eggs. This maternal investment significantly boosts the health and viability of the next generation, giving them a better chance at survival from the very beginning. It's a calculated risk. She sacrifices some individuals to maximize the success rate of others. Though many individual insects face high mortality rates, this unique approach contributes directly to the overall flourishing of the praying mantis population. The maternal behavior of a praying mantis is truly remarkable and often misunderstood. After mating, the female begins laying her eggs in a frothy mass called an ootheca, essentially a protective case that hardens over time. What's particularly fascinating is what happens next. She actively guards this ootheca for weeks, defending it from predators like birds and ants. This isn't just passive protection. She'll aggressively attack anything she perceives as a threat. It's an incredible investment of energy and risk for an insect known for its predatory nature. Following the hatching, however, her role shifts dramatically, often with devastating consequences for the male. In some species, the female will consume the male after or during mating, providing crucial nutrients for her egg production and offspring development. This behavior, while shocking to many, is a testament to the evolutionary pressures that shape survival strategies in the insect world.